to 5 Minutes in the Word. My name is Celina, and I'm thankful for this chance to gather and grow in God's wisdom together. Today, Abraham makes a covenant of peace with Abimelek. We are reading from Genesis chapter 21, 22 to 34. Genesis chapter 21, verse 22, the treaty at Beersheba. At that time, Abimelek and Phicol, the commander of his forces, said to Abraham, God is with you in everything you do. Now swear to me here before God that you will not deal falsely with me or my children or my descendants. Show to me and the country where you now reside as a foreigner the same kindness I have shown to you. Verse 24, Abraham said, I swear it. Then Abraham complained to Abimelek about a well of water that Abimelek's servants had seized. But Abimelek said, I don't know who has done this. You did not tell me, and I heard about it only today. So Abraham brought sheep and cattle and gave them to Abimelek, and the two men made a treaty. Abraham set apart 7 ewe lambs from the flock, and Abimelek asked Abraham, What is the meaning of these 7 ewe lambs you have set apart by themselves? Verse 30, he replied, Accept these 7 lambs from my hand as a witness that I dug this well. So that place was called Beersheba, because the 2 men swore an oath there. After the treaty had been made at Beersheba, Abimelek and Phicol, the commander of his forces, returned to the land of the Philistines. Abraham planted a tamarisk tree in Beersheba, and there he called on the name of the Lord, the eternal God. Verse 34, And Abraham stayed in the land of the Philistines for a long time. May the Lord bless the reading of his word. Amen.
Let us consider this. Peace comes when we anchor ourselves in God's eternal faithfulness. Our hearts long for stability, and the eternal God invites us to trust his unchanging presence. As we reflect on today's passage, Abraham marked his covenant with worship, reminding us that lasting peace flows from God's presence. Today's memory verse, Abraham planted a tamarisk tree in Beersheba, and there he called on the name of the Lord, the eternal God. Genesis 21:33. God bless you. Join me again tomorrow.